I hope you're all doing well. This is Dr. Peer Naeem. Today, this video is dedicated to all the nurses, no doubt a very important part of medical community. And we are receiving questions regarding the two types of qualification or education. One is the 3 years general nursing diploma, and the other one is the BSN degree. Both of them need to have at least 1 year of experience. That is compulsory to have 1 year of experience after your internship. Now, this is, I said, the minimal experience. But if you want to get enrolled into some big projects, some big companies, and some big hospital, well-known hospitals, then at least you all need to have 2 years of experience after your internship. So here we can say it like if you want to get a good job, you all need to have a total of 3 years experience as a nursing staff, 1 year internship, and 2 years experience, total 3 years. When you will start the procedure, the very first step is you need to go to your nursing boards and you need to attest all your degrees from there. For example, if you are BSN, you need to attest your BSN degree board. This is the first step. After that, you are going to do the Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestations. And when you will complete that, the next step is the data flow. In the data flow, you are going to apply for the verification process of your documents for the Gulf. They will verify your documents. They will issue you the report within 4 to 6 weeks. If your documents will be correct, the information will be correct, they will give you a green signal. After getting the green signal, you are allowed to apply for the job in Saudi Arabia. Now, here is another concept of the Mamaris Plus account. The Mamaris Plus account is an important one for all the medical community who are interested to work in Saudi Arabia. The Mamaris registration, and the next step is the Mamaris classification. The first fee for the eligibility is 200 Riyal. The next fee for the classification is 900 Riyal. After that, they are classifying you as a specialist nurse if you are having more than 1 year of experience after your internship. Then they will classify you as a specialist nurse, and after that they will allow you to sit in the exam. Now, after doing the classification, you all will have only 1 year of time duration in which you all will have three attempts for to appear in the exam, and that is compulsory to clear your exam in this specific period. For example, if you are not able to pass your exam in this 1 year time, then you need to wait for 1 year more in your own country and then reclassify yourself, and then you will be allowed to sit in the exam. Now, the important point here is some nursing candidates, they are getting enrolled here as a nurse, and while they are joining their offers without doing the classification, I think that's not a problem, but that depends on your hospital or your company who are hiring you. For example, if your hospital is hiring you just on data flow and they want to come over here, and then here you can apply for the classification and sit in the exam in here in Saudi Arabia until the time you getting your temporary license to work as a general nurse in any hospital or company or organization. So these are some basic information I provided you all for the process of nurse. Now, one point is very important what you people need to know before coming here, or if you are interested to move to Saudi Arabia. Three things you all need to focus on. The first one is always keep your knowledge up to date. You all need to have regular studies about the prometric, their exams, their questions. You need to have a clear concept of some basic medical sciences. You need to have a basic knowledge about the general emergencies. The second point is you all need to have good communication skills. For example, if you are coming here, you are not just dealing with your own community in your local language. For example, Urdu, Pashto. You all have international community, and you have to deal with all of them. So you need to practice your English day by day. The third point is your skills in nursing field. For example, if they are hiring you, they will expect you to manage some basic emergencies. For example, if you will work on a site, there may come an emergency and you need to do the first aid. You need to do the some basic steps in management of emergencies. These are some basic information from my side, and I hope this video will help you all. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.